Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Travers. Today we're going to be doing a number talk. We're very used to doing these types of activities in the classroom, but if you've never participated in one, what we do during a number talk is observe an image, we look at an image, and then we talk about it. So the whole point is to figure out how many we are seeing, but we're going to figure out that there are many different ways to see that total. So, as I show you each image, I want you to ask yourselves these questions. How many do you see, and how do you see them? You may also want to invite a person from your family to help you look at the image and to have a conversation about it as you work through it. So here we go. Here's our first image. What I want you to do is go ahead and draw this. Draw it exactly how you see it on a piece of paper or in your notebook if you have it. You may pause this video at any time so that you can do your work and then come back to it. Go ahead. Now let's look at the image and think about how we are seeing it. What kinds of combinations do you see? Do you see any patterns that you already know? I'm noticing this 5. And the reason why I notice that 5 is because I'm so used to seeing it on dice. And I also notice that there are 3 left on the outside. So for my first combination, I saw 5 and 3. And if I don't remember what that is, I can go ahead and count on. So I can say 5, 6, 7, 8. And so I figured out how many there are altogether. But this is the only way that we can make 8 using this pattern. Let's see if we can find a different combination. Here's another amount that I also recognize from dice patterns, the number 6. So now I have 6 in the middle and 1 and 1 or 2 on the outside. So to write this combination, I write 6 plus 2. Now let's take a look at the image once again and see if we find a different combination. I'm noticing this right here on this side, and then the same thing on this side. So now I have 3 and 1, or 4 and 4. So I just noticed that this is also a double, 4 and 4, and I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So I can write that combination like that. All right, so it's your turn now. I'm going to show you one last image. I want you to draw it, I want you to talk about it, and I want you to provide as many combinations as possible. And remember to ask yourselves, how many do you see and how do you see them? Have fun, and thanks for participating.